Ever thought a chatbot could pave the way to your millionaire dream? Hold on to that jaw, because it's about to drop. Today, we're diving deep into the futuristic world of ChatGPT and the top 10 business ideas that can skyrocket with its magic. From revolutionizing e-learning to crafting dynamic video game storylines, we're exploring ventures you might have never imagined. Stick around to uncover a universe of opportunity, and maybe, just maybe, find your golden ticket to success. Number 1. Custom content creation. One of the primary uses of ChatGPT is to generate text, which makes it an excellent tool for content creation. From blog posts to newsletters, having a tool that can help streamline the writing process or generate fresh ideas can be invaluable. Moreover, as the digital world demands a constant flow of new content, businesses can leverage ChatGPT to maintain consistent quality and deliverables. Not only does this save time, but it also ensures that the generated content is in line with the desired topic or theme. Furthermore, by fine-tuning and guiding ChatGPT, entrepreneurs can ensure the content matches a particular tone, style, or niche, catering to specific audiences or industries with precision. If you're a writer or content creator, integrating ChatGPT into your workflow could be a game changer. This doesn't mean replacing human touch. Instead, it's about enhancing productivity. For instance, a content creator can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, flesh out article structures, or even draft initial versions. This can greatly reduce the time spent on preliminary tasks, allowing the writers to focus on refining, personalizing, and enhancing the content. The potential for scalability is immense, as a content agency or freelance writer can handle more clients and projects by utilizing ChatGPT as a co-writer or assistant. Number 2. Virtual assistants and customer support. The rising demand for 24/7 customer support and the costs associated with it have driven businesses to look for efficient solutions. ChatGPT can be integrated into websites, apps, or other platforms to serve as a first-line virtual assistant or customer support representative. Chatbots, especially those powered by advanced models like ChatGPT, can handle a multitude of queries, ranging from basic FAQs to more complex troubleshooting. Imagine the convenience from a customer's perspective. Instead of waiting in long queues for a human representative, they can get instant responses, be it in the middle of the night or during peak hours. This not only improves user experience but also enhances brand reputation. For businesses, this translates to cost savings, as the need for a large customer support team can be reduced. Entrepreneurs can establish businesses that offer ChatGPT-powered virtual assistants as a service. They can target businesses that lack the resources to maintain round-the-clock support, or those looking to enhance their current support system. Continuous feedback and improvements can further refine the system, ensuring customer satisfaction and repeat business. Number 3. E-learning and tutoring platforms. The e-learning industry has seen exponential growth in recent years. The demand for personalized learning experiences and accessible education has never been higher. Enter ChatGPT. With its capabilities, ChatGPT can be integrated into the e-learning platforms to offer personalized tutoring, answer student queries, or even generate quiz questions based on the course content. Traditional e-learning modules often follow a one-size-fits-all approach, which might not cater to the diverse learning styles and paces of different students. But with ChatGPT, it's possible to craft a more adaptive learning environment. Entrepreneurs keen on education can develop platforms that leverage ChatGPT's capabilities. They can create a versatile platform that caters to various subjects, age groups, and learning levels. Whether it's offering homework help, language learning, or professional courses, there's a vast potential audience. Number 4. Market research and data analysis. In today's data-driven world, making informed decisions is paramount for businesses. This often involves sifting through heaps of data to extract meaningful insights. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in this domain, aiding in data analysis and generating comprehensive reports. For businesses, this means quicker decision-making processes and reduced reliance on large teams of data analysts. By asking ChatGPT specific questions regarding the data, businesses can get concise answers, visual representations, and even suggestions on the best course of action. This streamlines the decision-making process, ensuring businesses remain agile and responsive to market dynamics. As an entrepreneur, you can set up a consultancy or a software as a service or SaaS business, offering ChatGPT-powered data analysis solutions. By targeting sectors that are heavily reliant on data like e-commerce, finance, or marketing, you can offer tailored solutions. Number 5. Product development and brainstorming. Innovation is at the heart of any successful business. However, brainstorming and ideation can be challenging, especially when teams hit a creative block. ChatGPT can serve as an external, unbiased entity during brainstorming sessions, suggesting ideas, refining concepts, or even offering a fresh perspective based on the data it's been trained on. For businesses, especially those in the creative sector, this means a constant flow of ideas, ensuring they remain innovative and relevant. By integrating ChatGPT into the product development cycle, businesses can reduce the time spent on ideation, ensuring products reach the market faster. Entrepreneurs can offer ChatGPT-assisted brainstorming sessions as a service. By targeting startups, advertising agencies, or any business in need of fresh ideas, they can facilitate more productive brainstorming sessions. Number 6. Language translation and localization. While ChatGPT is primarily known for text generation, its understanding of multiple languages makes it a valuable tool for language translation. Businesses looking to expand globally require their content to be localized, ensuring it resonates with the target audience. ChatGPT can aid in this by providing quick translations, which can then be refined by human experts for cultural nuances. This approach ensures businesses get accurate translations quickly, allowing them to tap into new markets without significant delays. Moreover, by using ChatGPT as a base, the costs associated with translations can be significantly reduced, ensuring businesses get value for money. Entrepreneurs with a flair for languages can set up a translation and localization service powered by ChatGPT. By offering a combination of machine efficiency and human expertise, they can guarantee clients high-quality translations that truly resonate with the target audience. Number 7. Mental well-being and therapy chatbots. Mental health awareness has grown exponentially in recent years, and with it, the demand for accessible therapy and counseling services. While ChatGPT isn't a replacement for human therapists, it can serve as an initial point of contact for individuals seeking guidance. Its ability to provide instant, non-judgmental responses can be comforting for many. Entrepreneurs passionate about mental well-being can develop platforms that offer ChatGPT-powered therapy chatbots. By collaborating with mental health professionals, they can ensure the chatbot provides accurate information and resources. Moreover, with the right safeguards in place, they can ensure user confidentiality and guide those in need to appropriate human experts when required. Number 8. Gaming and interactive storytelling. The gaming industry has evolved, with narrative-driven games gaining significant popularity. ChatGPT can be integrated into such games to create dynamic, responsive narratives where player choices can lead to truly unique story arcs. This level of personalization can enhance player engagement, ensuring they remain invested in the game. From a game developer's perspective, this means crafting stories that are not rigid, offering players a sense of agency and immersion. By using ChatGPT, developers can create games that adapt to player choices in real time, crafting a unique narrative for each player. Entrepreneurs keen on gaming can develop studios that focus on ChatGPT-powered narrative games. By collaborating with writers and game designers, they can create immersive experiences that stand out in the crowded gaming market. Moreover, such games can cater to a broad audience, from casual gamers to those seeking deep narrative-driven experiences. Number 9. E-commerce personal shopping assistants. The e-commerce sector has seen significant growth, and with it, the need for personalized shopping experiences. ChatGPT can be integrated into e-commerce platforms to serve as a personal shopping assistant, guiding users based on their preferences, answering product queries, or even suggesting complementary products. For shoppers, this means a more streamlined shopping experience, where they get relevant product suggestions without sifting through hundreds of listings. For e-commerce businesses, this translates to increased sales, higher user satisfaction, and improved user retention. Entrepreneurs can develop e-commerce platforms with integrated ChatGPT shopping assistants, or offer it as a plugin for existing platforms. By focusing on user experience and personalization, they can ensure shoppers remain engaged, leading to higher conversion rates and repeat business. Number 10. human resources and recruitment. Hiring the right talent is crucial for any business, but the recruitment process can be tedious. ChatGPT can be used to screen resumes, match job requirements with candidate profiles, or even conduct initial interview rounds. This streamlines the recruitment process, ensuring HR teams can focus on the most suitable candidates. Moreover, ChatGPT can be integrated into internal HR platforms to answer employee queries, provide training resources, or even guide them through administrative processes. This ensures employees get instant assistance, improving overall job satisfaction. Entrepreneurs can set up HR consultancy firms offering ChatGPT-powered recruitment and HR solutions. By targeting businesses of all sizes, they can offer customized solutions that enhance efficiency and ensure businesses get the right talent on board. And that's a wrap. Hope you're now buzzing with inspiration and some zesty ideas for your next venture. If ChatGPT were human, we'd high-five it. Remember, the future is written in code and creativity. Until next time, dream big and innovate bigger. Catch you on the flip side.